हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे विल बी डिस्कस अबाउट प्रेसिस। प्रेसिस का टॉपिक है आज का गांधीज फिलॉसफी एंड सिटीजनशिप। अब पहले हम पैसेज पढ़ेंगे, फिर पैसेज और उसके बाद टाइटल। ओके, पैसेज है आवर प्राइमरी लॉयल्टी मस्ट बी टू द ह्यूमन रेस। इट इज़ द सेंस ऑफ अ कॉमन ह्यूमैनिटी that is lacking today. If we take the advanced nations of the last decade or two, we see abundance of natural resources, great intellectual penetrations, wonderful scientific achievements, even great development of discipline and leadership. These qualities are not enough. Something deeper, something more universal in appeal to man is necessary. Unless we are able to train our young men and women in this sense of world citizenship and make them understand that national loyalties must, the world cannot escape disaster. We talk of the United Nations. It is a it is symbol of this growing unity of the world order. It is unfortunately his scenes of conflicts at the present moment. What it can still be shaped for achieving through its medium the goal of the future world. The international society, if Gandhi's philosophy and ideals would be adopted. इसकी पैसेज है। It is through Gandhi's philosophy and ideals that we can cultivate world citizenship, which is necessary in order to avoid the world disaster, just as we subordinate our family loyalty to our national loyalties. Similarly, we must subordinate our national loyalties to our loyalty to the entire human race. In the last few decades, some countries of the world have made progress in every field, but that is not enough unless and until we train our people to go for world citizenship. इसका टाइटल है The suitable title suggested for the passage is Gandhi's philosophy and world citizenship. Okay. Next is change is the law of life. Change is the law of life. Our bodies are changing every hour from the moment our birth If they cease to change, we should cease to exist. Our minds should change and develop as our bodies do. Everyone would admit that a man who has indeed inherited the ideas which were there when he was a boy is crippled and slanted in intellect. Yet many people are unable to see that it is nearly unnatural and dangerous for man and woman to cling to the ideas of them. They become like neglected gardens, weeds grow space, and the flowers are smothered by them. Unless we keep blooming in our mind the flowers of truth sincerely, the weeds of ignorance, dishonesty, and superstitions will choke all wholesome growth. इसकी पैसेज है change is the eternal principle of nature. Our bodies go on changing from our to last day of our life. So is the case with our minds. If our minds, our ideas not change, they will be just like neglected gardens full of unwanted plants. If the flowers of truth are not allowed to bloom in our minds, ignorance, superstitions, and dishonesty will rule in our life. उसका टाइटल है द सटेबल टाइटल सजेस्टेड टू द पैसेज इज चेंज ऑफ आवर चेंज इज द लॉ ऑफ लाइफ. Next, poetry intensifies your emotions and this gives you a fuller and deeper life all round. Emotions is the central light of human personality. It gives zest to life and drives you to actions and adventures. Without strong emotions, your life would be dull and dry. In which only the thorns of lifeless intellectualism or vulgar sensuality could grow. The great poets inexhaustible source of deep feelings. They are extremely sensitive men and women who love or hate or suffer or enjoy greatly and wholeheartedly. As thirsty soil of India needs showers of rain, so do our souls burdened with cares and worries. Require the fertilizing hearts of the poets. Go and vivify your personality while letting a title of the true past too powerful electric current to pass through your being. Then you will be rejuvenated in every pore. Passage emotions is the central light of human personality. Without emotions, our life is dull and dry. It is the emotion that fills our life with zest. Poetry intensifies our emotions. It is an emotional poet who gives us a powerful electric current to rejuvenate our personality. Emotions central light of human personality. Without strong emotions, your life would be dull and dry, in which only the thorns of life, less intellectualism or vulgar sensuality could grow. The great poets are inexhaustible source of deep feelings. They are extremely sensitive men and women who love or hate or suffers or enjoy greatly and wholeheartedly. Thirsty soil of India needs showers of rain, so do our souls burdened with cares and worries. इसका टाइटल है द सुटेबल टाइटल सजेस्टेड टू द पैसेज इज पोइट्री एंड ह्यूमन पर्सनैलिटी.